Hey, welcome to 1 Minute Excel. Today we're going to look at 4 quick and easy formulas that are very helpful. The one will give you the minimum figure in a given data set, then you'll get the maximum, the total or the sum, and then the average of a given data set. And all it will require is 1 to 2 numbers, or you can do a larger set, or you can pick an entire range, which is what we will do in the example. Moving on to the examples here. For this given data set, net income statement here, if we wanted to find the minimum, let's say for revenue, we'd say equals, type in min, open parentheses, select the range, hit F4 twice. In this case, it'll lock the rows but allow you to move over the columns, and we can close out there. Let's go ahead and do the max as well. Same thing, but now we're going to say max. And exact same range. I'm going to hit F4 twice, close it out. Now we're going to say sum. This will give us the total here. Close out on the range, hit F4 twice. And then let's type in average and select the entire range as well. I'm going to hit F4 twice. The reason I hit F4 is now when you copy these formulas over, it'll keep the rows the same, but it'll allow you to shift columns. And now you can see your minimum, maximum, total or sum, and average for a given data. And that's the example for today. Thanks and see you soon.